Welcome back to the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. This is Western Sydney, this is Hot Rods, and let's look at our competitors for tonight. Back on the track and trying to get a second win in the Club Championship is Dwarf Gourami Racing and that mighty six-wheeler, the Toe Jam. They took on the Way Too Fast and they conquered Mount Western Raceway. Can they do the double tonight? A big round of applause for Hot Wheels boys from across the pond. That's right, it's the Kiwis. This time he's driving that 68 El Camino, one of my favourites. Can he beat that Toe Jam, that mighty six-wheeler? Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. This is Hot Rods.
Let the Hot Rods begin. Race 1.
Holy hell, that was a fast pace going to the finish line. Dwarf Gourami Racing, all the way from the States, gets his first win at Hot Rods tonight.
Race 2. Boys in the 68 El Camino and another big hit. All these guys are at it.
That's right, MC. That was a very big hit. All squared up out of race 2.
Race 3. Hot Wheels boys in the 68 El Camino. Oh, is Hot Wheels boys all right?
We have a medic on the way, MC. I'm sure he'll be okay.
Race 4. Winner, the mighty six-wheeler, the Toe Jam.
Dwarf Gourami Racing on fire. Hot Wheels boys right behind him, all squared up.
Race 5. Winner! Dwarf Gourami Racing and that mighty six-wheel on the Toe Jam. Oh, Hot Wheels boys is over.
Dwarf Gourami Racing, 3 out of 2 out of 5, gets his second win right here, Thursday nights on Hot Rods. Here's your top 10. Dwarf Gourami Racing with that second win, slowly climbing up the ladder. NZ Racing right up the top with Mark D of CRC Racing from Australia. That was some sensational racing tonight, and Hot Wheels boys, you fought hard, but it is that mighty six-wheeler, that Toe Jam, all the way from the States with Michael behind the wheel. Look at him race around the track. He's done it twice here. He's very confident and very capable of just taking this whole thing out. Crosses the line for his first win. Hot Wheels boys in that Camino was really only about half a second behind him. Let's head into race 2, and it's Hot Wheels boys all the way here. Dwarf Gourami's really just trying to push him around. Look at that on the corner. But it's Hot Wheels boys all the way. Look at him. Takes this turn 2. That's a stunning exit out of turn 2. Sees the line, crosses it, and gets his first win tonight. Well done, Craig. And look at this big hit by Dwarf Gourami Racing. Hot Wheels boys is on his side and he's all right. A little bit rattled. Man, things are only heating up, and let's get into race 3. And here's Craig in that mighty 68 El Camino going into turn 1. An excellent line down Mount Western Straight. He just loves racing here at Mount Western Raceway. Look at him in turn 2. Excellent execution out of that. Sees the line and crosses it. Sensational driving. And check this out. Wham! A big stack cleans him off the track, goes right into the rock pile. Craig was all right, the medics cleared him, and he's going into race 4. Here he goes, he's down the back, he's out front, he hits the wall and he slides, and this has just left it wide open for Dwarf Gourami Racing. That mighty six-wheeler, Michael behind the wheel. Look at the conviction coming out of that turn 2. This thing is a beast on the track, and there you go, a 9.19, bit of a slow time. When you race here on Mount Western Raceway, it is unpredictable. You can be fast, you can be heavy, you can be sleek. The results sometimes don't reflect this. Let's head into race 5. Dwarf Gourami Racing, right down the back. Michael slamming this toe jam around the joint. Here comes Hot Wheels boys. He's flooring it. He's trying to catch up. He's only just got 100 metres to go. And it's Dwarf Gourami Racing all the way, crosses the line and gets his second win right here on MWR Hot Rods. And there's Hot Wheels boys. He's gone over, but he's okay. Well, there you go. Dwarf Gourami Racing and Michael in that mighty toe jam. You are the current club champion. Congratulations, mate. A big round of applause for Craig and the Hot Wheels boys in that mighty 68 El Camino. We will see you back on Mount Western Raceway in another Hot Rod very soon. Well, here he is, your current club champion, Dwarf Gourami Racing in that toe jam. Congratulations. Look at him holding that cup up high and proud. Coming up next Monday night is the James Clement 100 Proof Racing Team right out of the States. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Lisa Smith is hitting Aussie soil in this mighty Auburn 852. This thing is fast. I've seen it in practice. Watch out, everyone. It's going to be a big hit up Monday, Aussie time. Catch you later.